Dates. Who doesn't love this fruit, often called the gold of the desert? But did you know that a single date palm growing amidst vast stretches of sand can yield over 200 pounds of fruit annually? The entire process, from the fruit's growth to factory processing, reads like a tale from Arabian Nights. Today we will explore the fascinating journey of a date or a succulent raisin as it travels from the desert sands to our dining tables. The journey begins in the orchard. To ensure maximum yield, the trees are kept clean by trimming away excess thorns and old fronds. Next comes the crucial step, pollination. While this is primarily a natural process, pollen is collected from male date palms and gathered together to boost productivity. This pollen is then sprayed onto the flowers of female trees, either manually or by machine. You might be surprised to learn that a single male tree can pollinate up to 50 female trees. Once pollination is successfully achieved, the trees begin to bear fruit. As the dates grow, each cluster is covered with a special white bag to protect them from birds, insects, and dust. These bags are designed to allow air to circulate freely inside. An orchard wrapped in these white bags presents a truly unique sight. Then the harvesting begins. Skilled workers, usually in teams of 3 or 4, use specialized machinery to harvest the fruit. By simply shaking the bagged clusters, the ripe dates are dislodged and collected. This method ensures the entire harvest is gathered efficiently without exposing the fruit to dust or causing any damage. The harvested dates are then loaded onto trucks and transported to a processing plant where they undergo a quality check. They are sorted based on size, color, and ripeness. Finally, a brushing machine is used to thoroughly remove any dust or debris from the surface of the dates. Dust and dirt are removed, and the dates are conveyed through a vibrating stainless steel channel. Subsequently, they pass through a vibrating machine where they are washed in multiple stages with chilled, sanitized water sprays and rapidly dried using fans. As the cleaned dates move along the conveyor belt, they are scanned by multi-way laser cameras capable of capturing thousands of images per second. These scanners instantly detect the color, size, and blemishes of each date, and even identify the presence of insects or small stones inside the fruit. Defective dates are then automatically removed from the main line using air jets or small mechanical arms. Thanks to this automated technology, even minor flaws that might escape the human eye are easily detected, ensuring that only the most premium dates are selected for the market. Finally, the dates undergo a last wash before being sorted by size and category for packaging. Some dates are packaged directly, while others are processed into date paste, date rolls, or various healthy snacks. Let us now move from the desert landscape to a lush green vineyard. Stepping into the vineyard, we will discover the story behind sweet raisins, which are essentially dried grapes. Grapes are harvested only when their internal sugar content reaches its peak. The higher the natural sugar level, the sweeter and more delicious the resulting raisins will be. Harvesting is done either by automated machinery or by hand, depending on the location. Once fully ripe grapes are collected from the vineyard, they are washed in a special food-grade solution. This process creates tiny cracks in the grape skins, allowing them to dry rapidly under the sun. Tons of grapes are then spread across massive trays and left to dry thoroughly in the open sunlight. The sun's heat reduces the moisture content, transforming the grapes into sweet raisins. After drying, the raisins are transported to a factory where their quality undergoes rigorous inspection. They are washed in clean water and passed over vibrating tables and through multiple scanners. The vibration of the tables separates the stems and dust from the raisins. Next, A laser scanner examines each raisin, rejecting any that are shriveled, excessively dark, or contain foreign objects like stones. Even after machine-based checks, the raisins undergo a final visual inspection by human eyes. Trained workers stationed beside the conveyor belt ensure that no defective or substandard raisins make it into the final packaging. Finally, the raisins are weighed and packaged. Some are sold directly as snacks, while others are sent to factories producing baked goods, cereals, chocolates, cakes, and various other food products. One would hardly realize, just by looking at a tiny raisin, the multitude of stages, technologies, and human effort involved in its production. The next time you enjoy raisins, remember that this fruit is more than just food. It is a combined story of technology, agriculture, and human endeavor. So, what did you think of this fascinating process? Which fruit do you like more, grapes or dates? Let us know your opinion in the comments. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel. See you in the next episode. Thank you.